Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on wallpaper rotation on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on this on these three lines, now click settings and now click shot settings, and now click animations, and here click animations and chat, click on it, and here you will find the wallpaper rotation, just click on it and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.